Another Ford, Crown Victoria, the 1956 Ford Crown Victoria Skyliner. Fiesta Red and Colonial White over red and white. 312 cubic inch 4-barrel V8. Ford-O-Matic, not like to be mistaken for the Veg-O-Matic. It's got an AC. It's got AC, power steering and brakes, very well restored. Remember when classic cars, the number one question for a while was, does it have power steering and power brakes? And we don't quite get that as much. Either people are able to ascertain that by seeing it in the photographs and maybe they didn't know what to look for in the past, or it doesn't matter as much. I don't know, but it's funny. It's not as, it doesn't come up as often as it used to come up. So